I am so excited for today's recipe, and I know you will be too. I try everything I can to make healthy recipes that are also anti-inflammatory. So today we are going to do a dairy-free, beautiful, creamy pasta sauce. Kind of like my take on Alfredo sauce. You can put this with any pasta, mix some vegetables in. It's really versatile, but the key thing in this recipe today is definitely the sauce. There are two things in this sauce that make it magic. Number one, cashews, loaded with protein, and they're going to make our sauce creamy, and I'm going to show you how. Number two, nutritional yeast. It is going to give our sauce that cheesy flavor that we need without the dairy. Let's dive into this beautiful, delicious, creamy, dairy-free pasta sauce.
Want to know my secret to making my sauces creamy without using dairy? I love to use cashews. So here's the trick. When you soak them in hot water, they get super soft. I choose cashews because they are a very soft nut. Once you add them to the blender, it's going to make your sauce thicker and creamier, while also adding protein. So let's make the sauce. Add your soaked cashews to a blender, along with nutritional yeast, which is going to add our cheesy flavor. Now you want to add some dairy-free milk. For convenience, I'm using cashew milk. And you're going to add some lemon juice to give it the tartness that it needs. Of course, most of my recipes have garlic. And now we're going to add just about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Let's add our spices. Smoked paprika, turmeric, because it's anti-inflammatory and it's going to give it that beautiful yellow cheesy color. Some sea salt. Okay, maybe a little more. And some black pepper. So easy. Now we're just going to give all of this a really good blend to make our beautiful creamy sauce. Now let's bring it all together and make a recipe using our dairy-free creamy sauce. To a hot skillet, you're going to add some avocado oil. I use avocado oil because it loves heat. It has a neutral flavor as well and is a really good source of healthy fat. Once your pan is hot and once your oil is hot, we want it sizzling hot, you're going to add some cherry tomatoes. You want to hear the sizzle and pop. We want these cherry tomatoes to blister and char a little bit. Be patient. Stir them all so they're coated with the oil, and then you're going to put a lid on the pan so the oil doesn't get everywhere, and keep those cherry tomatoes cooking. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. See how they're blistered? This is exactly what you want. Now add your sliced garlic. You don't need to add it very long. We don't want the garlic to burn. Once everything is good and combined, give it a stir. And now we're going to add our chopped broccoli. If you don't have broccoli, I would suggest maybe some shaved Brussels sprouts. We want a cruciferous vegetable. We're trying to get fiber in our meal. Give it all a good stir, and the more fine it's chopped, the faster it will cook. Now let's add in your baby spinach. This is also going to add fiber. Fiber helps with digestion, and putting these leafy greens in our recipes offers us anti-inflammatory properties. You want the spinach to wilt like this. Once it's good and wilted, we're going to move on to the next step. Time for that sauce. Cover everything with the entire blender of sauce. This is where the magic happens, where all the flavors come together. Guilt-free because all the ingredients are anti-inflammatory. We're using the right oils, we're leaving dairy out of our recipe, and don't forget, gluten-free as well. Pick your favorite shape of pasta, just make sure it's gluten-free. Save some of your pasta water to add to the sauce. This is going to help the sauce stick to your pasta. And there you have it, a beautiful, dairy-free, creamy pasta sauce. Okay, fine. Let's top it with some hemp seeds for added antioxidants and protein.
So are you excited to make this recipe? If you want more inspiration from me on how you can incorporate more anti-inflammatory foods and recipes into your kitchen, do me a giant favor. Down in the description below is a link to join my online community called the Healthy Hub. It is a complimentary community where we come together and support you, and I tell you all of my secrets, my habits, what I put in my recipes, and how we can help you live a healthier life and create recipes that will support your health. Join today.